How to delete Facebook account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook app on your phone. From the home feed, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now, tap on the Account Center at the very top. This area lets you manage settings for your Meta accounts. Under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. Then, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Select the Deactivation or Deletion option. Choose the Facebook account you want to delete. On the next screen, select Delete Account and tap Continue. Tap on Continue again to confirm deleting associated pages. Select a reason for leaving, then tap Continue twice. On the final page, scroll down and tap on Continue. For security, re-enter your password to permanently delete the account. Following these steps, you can easily delete a Facebook account on an iPhone.